Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Still using the ratchet and the 10mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the plastic guide of the positive terminal. Then remove it. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. To take off the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension, and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the fastening plate. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring that you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Rescrew the screw holding the plastic guide. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.